Hello everyone, how are you all? As you can see, my voice is really not well. I'm already straining a lot over my voice. I was not well since few days. Other than YouTube, I also teach in other places, and there are my studies too. Schedule was really busy, my studies, and then there was other work also. So I just didn't want to reduce the quality of the video. So I thought instead of rushing it on, making it somehow, it's better once I get free or once I find a bit of time to make the video, I'll again make. So that's how I am uploading this video today. So commitment comes first. So I'll never ever leave you in the halfway. I'll complete the entire lucent portion as I told you before. It's just because of a bit commitment, there were a bit consistency issues. So I've tried to upload the videos consistently right from the beginning, if you know. So today what I'm going to do is, we have already uploaded some videos about chromosomes. Today we will continue that session, okay? About chromosomes, we'll be discussing some most important facts about chromosomes with respect to government exams. Just cooperate with me for today, for few days at least, till my voice recovers. Okay, so let's begin with the session without wasting time. Not seen the previous session which I have uploaded about chromosome, make sure you check them. Okay, the link will be there below in the description box. Now when I'm talking about chromosomes, let's discuss about the structure of the chromosome. So you have to remember the chromosome. Each chromosome is made up of two chromatids, okay, upper and lower. Okay, it is made up of two chromatids, and these chromatids, if you see, they are attached by a common centromere. Okay, these chromatids, okay, the chromosome consists of two chromatids, and these chromatids are attached by centromere. At the center there is a centromere, so that they can attach both the chromatids. Chromosomes are made up of DNA and histone protein. If you remember, we did see chromatin material is made up of DNA and histone proteins, and we did say that this chromatin material, which is long, thin, thread-like, during the course of cell division, they become short, condensed to form chromosome, right? Now when I'm saying chromatin material is made up of DNA and histone proteins, and this chromatin material becomes short and condensed to form chromosome during the course of cell division, which obviously means the chromosome also are made up of DNA and histone proteins, because both are same, only there is a difference in the structure. So chromosomes are also made up of dash and dash, that is DNA and histone proteins. Who named chromosome? Or chromosome was named by dash. Remember, chromosome was named by Waldeyer in the year 1888. Very important. Chromosome was named by Waldeyer in the year 1888. Chromosome is also capable of dash. Okay, it is capable of self-replication. Guys, chromosome have this ability to multiply by itself. When I'm saying self-replication, replication means multiplication. It can form its own replicas or copies, you can say. Okay, so chromosome have this ability of self-replication. Also, it transfers information from one generation to other. Yes, chromosome is also responsible for heredity. That is transfer of characters from one generation to other. All these things we have already discussed when we were talking about nucleus, right? So make sure, we also discussed what is the difference between chromosome, DNA, right? What is chromatin material. So make sure you check my previous sessions for gaining clarity of the subject or the concept. Now a very important concept, that is number of chromosomes in different organisms. We did see what is the difference between prokaryotic organisms and eukaryotic organisms. Now when it comes to eukaryotic organisms, see, there are many number of chromosomes. Okay, and in different species the number of chromosomes is different. For example, when it comes to humans, a human cell has 46 chromosomes. We did discuss. So in humans we have 46 chromosomes. Like that, in different organisms there are different number of chromosomes, which we will be discussing in this session. Okay, like which organism has dash set of chromosomes. So that we will be discussing in this session. Whereas when it comes to prokaryotic cell, we did say that there is only one chromosome. In prokaryotes like bacteria, there is only one single chromosome. Make sure you subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon for further notification of my videos. See, first of all, we always need to remember these chromosomes when it comes to eukaryotes, because there are many chromosomes in eukaryotes, so they are always in pairs. Chromosomes are always in pairs. So remember, chromosomes are always in pairs when it comes to eukaryotes. Okay, for example, in human, we have 46 set of chromosomes, 46. Now this 46, when you divide by 2, it becomes 23 and 23. Right, so we have 23 pairs of chromosomes. That is 23 plus 23. We have a set of chromosomes. This 23 set of chromosomes can also be said as 46 chromosomes. I hope it is clear. This also I have already explained in the previous session. Okay. Now what is the concept of haploid and diploid? That I am going to explain to you. See, what is mitotic division? What is meiotic division? This also we will explain as the session proceeds. For now, I am not going to discuss about mitosis and meiosis, which is a type of cell division. But I'll explain the concept of haploid and diploid. First of all, when I'm saying diploid, okay, diploid means 2. Okay, di is 2. Ploidy is number. So diploid is 2 in number, and haploid, means half, and ploid is number. So haploid is half the number. Am I getting clear with this? Diploid is 2 and haploid is half in number. Now what this means? See, when I'm saying human cell have 46 set of chromosomes, that is 23 pairs of chromosomes, 23 plus 23. Now this 23 is equal to n. N, that is where n is number of chromosomes. So n is equal to 23. So when I'm saying diploid, it becomes 2 into n, that is 2 into 23, which is 46. So 2 into set of chromosome. Are you able to understand? And when I'm saying haploid, 2n divided by 2, that is half of 46. 2 into n is equal to 23. Okay, so 2 into 23 is 46. So 46 divided by 2. So haploid is half the number of 46, which is 46 divided by 2, that is 23. So n number of chromosome, or 23 number of chromosome, is haploid, that is half the number of 46. And when I'm saying 46, which is 2 into n, that is 2 into 23. So that is diploid, 2 into n. Di means 2 into, so 2 in number, 2 into something, so 2 in number. So 2 into 23, that is diploid. Are we getting the concept or difference between haploid number of chromosomes and diploid number of chromosomes? Now when do we get this? Okay, is it during mitosis or is it during meiosis? When are these chromosomes divided, in what kind of cell division? Okay, or these divisions are performed by what kind of cells? Okay, body cells, reproductive cells. See, if these terms are going, if these are bouncer to you, like if you're not understanding what are these terms, no need to worry at all. We will be clearing all these concepts as the session proceeds. Point that you always have to remember is gametes have haploid set of chromosomes. What do you mean by gametes? Gametes are cells, dash cells, reproductive cells, also called as germ cells. Gametes are reproductive cells, also called as germ cells. They perform sexual reproduction. When I'm saying gametes, means sexual reproduction. What are gametes? Basically, these are, when it comes to females, it becomes egg cells. Egg. Okay, female ka anda. And when I'm saying male, it becomes sperms, male anda. Yeah, male eggs, male cells, sperms. In male, it becomes sperms, and in female, it becomes egg. This sperm and egg combine to form a zygote or bacha, that is sexual reproduction. This only takes place during sexual reproduction, right? So this sperm is a gamete, a male gamete, which has haploid number of chromosomes. When I'm saying male gamete or when I'm saying sperm, it is a cell. It is ultimately a cell which has dash number of chromosome, haploid number of chromosome. That haploid is how many? That haploid is n is equal to 23. So gametes have always haploid number of chromosomes. And similarly, when it comes to female egg, female gamete, you have to remember they also have dash set of chromosomes. Haploid, that is 23. 23 from male sperm and this another 23 from female egg, both combine to form a bacha or zygote, which has 46 number of chromosomes. 23 plus 23, 46. Are we getting gametes have, how gametes have haploid number of chromosomes? Because both of them combine to form 46, and in humans there are 46 number of chromosomes. My voice is really not well. I have to really strain a lot to speak, so I'm really sorry for this. Just cooperate with me for few days. Now we will see number of chromosomes in different species. So whatever everything that is present in Lucent, I am trying to cover. So you need not worry. We'll discuss the number of chromosomes for all those organisms. Okay, that is important. That is there in Lucent. Let's see the list of number of chromosomes for different organisms. Example, human, 23 pairs of chromosomes. We said that in eukaryotes, the chromosomes are always paired. Okay, so remember in human also when I'm saying 23 pairs of chromosomes, it's 23 plus 23, 46. Similarly, when I'm talking about pigeon, pigeon has 40 pairs of chromosomes. So if I'm saying 40 pairs of chromosomes, it means 40 plus 40 is equal to 80 chromosomes. I hope you're getting my point, right? Chimpanzee, 24 pairs of chromosomes. Cat, 19 pairs of chromosomes. Dog, 39 pairs of chromosomes. Frog, 13 pairs of chromosomes. Horse, 32 pairs of chromosomes. Ascaris, 1 pairs of chromosomes. Only and only 1 pairs. That is the least number, guys. See, when I'm saying Ascaris, if you don't know, Ascaris is a worm, okay, which causes a disease called as Ascariasis. Don't worry, we'll discuss, okay, as the session proceeds. For now, you have to remember Ascaris has 1 pairs of chromosome. Onion, 8 pairs of chromosomes. Tomato, 12 pairs of chromosomes. Pea, that is matar or watana, which we say green peas, okay, 7 pairs of chromosomes. Wheat, 21 pairs of chromosome. Okay, so this is the list of all the important organisms that you have to remember. This list you have to remember. I have covered all those organisms which are there in Lucent, so make sure you take a note of this, okay, and revise. If this was helpful, guys, make sure you please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Share with maximum of your friends, okay, so that they can also benefit from this course, because this course is free, okay. And thank you so much. In the next session, we will discuss nucleic acids. What are nucleic acids? DNA, RNA. We will also be discussing the structure of DNA from the next session, okay. So make sure you watch it.